good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have a 2023 Genesis GV70 in for a ceramic coating. Yes, we are here at Tony's shop. This is not my garage, but we are utilizing it for today. So we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat this car here. So you guys just saw me do a quick one-step polish and gloss on the exterior. This is brand new, you guys, so it doesn't really have too many swirl marks and imperfections, which is pretty surprising to us. But hey, you know, these pillars right here need a little bit of touch up and stuff like that. And the trim all around is just a little bit swirly and scratched up. So we're just gonna make sure we polish it real lightly and quick. So the combo that Tony had gave me was this one right here. It's a perfect finish right here. If you guys wanna know, we're using this product right here. He gave me his, well, he let me borrow his Rupes polisher here with a orange Lake Country pad. So I've done this side here already, and I just finished the trunk area. Now I'm gonna come back around and retouch up these pillars and do like these small corners in there. But I'm just trying to get the big like door panels and stuff like that out the way. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just finishing polishing this section there. I did this door, I did this door there, and then I did this portion here, as well as the trim and the pillars on both these doors there. So, and also the small mirror right there, did that as well. So look at these cool Max Shine covers right here for the wheels. I haven't even seen the wheels, you guys, but I'm pretty sure they probably look badass. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, look at the back of this thing. Comment down below what this car reminds you of, you guys. Look, this reminds me of like the Porsche headlights on the, or the rear lights. Looks kind of similar to it, but man, this thing is super nice. I can't wait till I finish to go ahead and show you guys. Product that we're using on the paint, we're going to use it on the wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and use the cardboard eraser. Just do a quick wipe down on the rims, just the outer face, and then we'll go ahead and take a quick lunch break, and then we'll continue on with the ceramic. All right, you guys, so we're ready to start applying our ceramic coating. We have the System X 2 to 3 year coating here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by applying it on the front bumper here, the headlights, work my way and do the same thing on that side over there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire hood, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the side fenders as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I will show you guys step by step, everything like that, but it's just gonna take too much time. So let's sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And like I said, let's apply our System X 2 to 3 year coating on this 2023 Genesis GV70. Let's go. what's up, you guys? So this is gonna be the end of this video here. Appreciate every one of you for watching this video here, because you guys have gotten me to 6,500 subscribers. So shout out to you guys. Anyway, we just finished doing this Genesis GV70 2023, you guys. This hasn't even hit the streets yet, but it hit our paint correction ceramic coating shop. So right here we have the wheels coated, the fenders coated, the hood coated, the windshield coated. I mean, everything you could think of on the exterior was fully coated and protected for 3 years with our System X coating. So along with the System X coating, we have a little certificate, right? That usually our clients can go ahead and register their cars online. And when they do decide to sell it or trade it in down the line, it's gonna be included in the Carfax saying like, hey, this car was invested in, this car was protected, and now we can go ahead and sell it because it's worth a lot more, right? So I appreciate every single one of you. If you have any questions, shout out to Riders Details for letting us use your shop. Make sure you guys follow, subscribe, all that good stuff to his channel. But without further ado, if you guys like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Hustle never settle, you guys. Peace out. Let's go.